Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm excited to show you another Sabre. Now, I believe, and I could be wrong, this is a 2025, but I will definitely let you know. But it is a coach, but it has that front living. It's absolutely stunning, so I'm excited to show you. So let's go from the outside in, and you guys let me know. Let's go. Hey guys, Rachel. Alright guys, this is a Forest River Sabre 2025. It is model 37FLH. You've got 3 slides on this side. It is that tankless water heater, that on demand. And you got 2 slides on this side with 2 awnings and a backup camera. Let's see what we got down here. Nice. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. Probably not. All right, we got a fridge and a sink, some storage right here, which is always nice. Very nice. And you got outlets as well. And then you got your LP quick connect right below. And then, as I mentioned, you got your backup camera prep as well. All right, let's take a look inside. Absolutely beautiful. All right, to the right, we've got our front living with, you got your 2 couches, of course, that turn into a bed, and you got your theater seating right back here, so you can recline, and you can either watch your movie, TV, whatever, but and you've got your theater seating that recline with some cup holders right here, a little window right next to it. And then, of course, across from that, you've got your fireplace, your theater, your entertainment, some storage on the side. Plenty of storage, which I love. I know that I say it all the time, but I just love seeing as much storage as possible. You've got a fan in here as well, which I like that it's right in the middle because it reaches both this front living area and the kitchen. You got a beautiful kitchen here, by the way. It is gorgeous. So a beautiful long island with a nice big sink and a glass cleaner. You've got storage and storage and more storage. You do have a trash cabinet, which I absolutely love. I love seeing that because nobody wants to see the trash out. You got a 3-burner, a nice big oven, some more storage right there. You've got a microwave with, it's really a convection, so you can cook, 2 turkeys at one time. You've got a wine rack above, and then you do have lots more storage here. Pantry storage, all the goods. Got a nice, beautiful, big residential fridge as well. And then more storage. So maybe you got a coffee table that you'd like to put over here, or a coffee on this table. This beautiful counter right here. You have the space for it, which is really, really nice. And then again, like I said, just more storage. Over here we have a beautiful table and chairs. And then of course surrounding it is the beautiful windows, which who doesn't love windows? Right here we do have a half bath. Perfect. I love a half bath. And then over here we do have more storage. I like how they use this space over here. So if you got some coats to hang up, this is a great place for it. Through here we have our master bedroom, which is giant. Go ahead and show you all that storage right there. Nice big bed, and then storage right above it. And then across we do have where you can put your entertainment, or you can put it up here to keep this space clean, and a window back there, and then more places to hang up your clothes on both sides. Through here we have a beautiful, huge bathroom. So his and her sink. You got little cubbies or shelving right here. I love the natural light that comes in here. And look at these beautiful mirrors. And again, storage. It's just so much storage in here. I love this. And then, of course, a nice big shower. You can have a seat right over there as well. And then the washer and dryer prep in here with just, again, more storage. So guys, what do you think of this unit? I think it's absolutely stunning. I think it has everything that you could possibly need in an RV, but I love to know what you guys think. So call, text, email, come see me. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. I'd love to help you. But until next time, guys,